So how to connect your Insta 360-degree X-ray camera to your iPhone device? First of all, you have to install your Insta 360-degree camera apps on your Apple Store. Go to App Store. Insta. This is the Insta 360 official apps. This icon. I already installed it on my phone. So after install, you just open your apps. Then turn on your Insta 360 camera also. It's turn on. Then you have to go your setting option. Then you see connect. Press on connect, and my device already discovered. And you have to press on it again. Uh, Join. And it's connected. Now you can access your photo, your album, and anything from your iPhone. This is how you can easily connect Insta 360 camera to your iPhone. Thank you for watching.